evening, seawolves. My name is Shekinah, and this is the event preview where we keep you up to date on all things Scholars Academy. Here's what's happening from May 11th to May 17th. Monday, May 12th, a few AP exams will be administered, which include AP Music Theory, which is on paper, and AP Seminar, which will be digital. Grade 9 will be taking a day trip to the Anne Frank Museum. Biology Regents Prep will be from 2:50 to 3:35 in room 300. Earth and Space Regents Prep will be from 3:35 to 4:35 in room 323. And Geometry Regents Prep will be from 3:35 to 4:35 in room 307. In addition to that, AP Calculus AB will have review from 3:35 to 5:05. Tuesday, May 13th, the AP Pre-Calculus exam will be administered in the morning alongside the Grade 8 Spanish Cumulative exam. Review for Regents and AP courses will be ranging from 3:35 to 5:05 p.m. These courses include AP Art History, AP Calculus, Geometry, Biology, Chemistry, and Algebra 1. Parent Association elections will be held from 6 to 7 p.m. Wednesday, May 14th, the AP English Language exam and AP Physics exam will be held. Review for Regents and AP courses will be ranging from 3:35 to 5:05 p.m. These courses include AP Calculus, Earth and Space, Chemistry, U.S. History, Physics, and Algebra 1. Thursday, May 15th, the AP Art History and AP Spanish Language exam will be administered. 8th grade will also be having a trip to go see the Brooklyn Cyclones. Review for Regents and AP courses will be ranging from 3:35 to 5:05 p.m. These courses include AP Biology, AP Chemistry, Geometry, and U.S. History. Finally, on Friday, May 16th, it is a Student Government Dress Down Day. Be sure to abide by all dress code and enjoy your day. Lastly, Saturday, May 17th, from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., AP Science courses will have preparation classes. And that is it for the event preview this week. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Shekinah, and I'll see you next time.